Every year, factories, cold rooms, and commercial buildings lose lakhs of rupees because of just a handful of HVAC mistakes. And the surprising part is that most engineers don't even realize they're doing them. So in this short video, I'm going to walk you through the 5 biggest HVAC mistakes that hurt performance, increase electricity bills, and shorten equipment life. And more importantly, I'll show you how to fix them before the system fails. The first and most damaging mistake is installing an undersized cooling system. When the actual heat load is higher than what the AC or chiller is designed for, the compressor is forced to run longer, consume more electricity, and still fail to maintain the required temperature. If your plant temperature rises a few degrees every afternoon, that's a clear sign your tonnage is insufficient. Proper heat load calculation, not guesswork, is the only solution. The second mistake is poor airflow caused by wrong ducting, blocked AHUs, or undersized grills. Many factories unknowingly choke their own cooling system by storing materials near air handling units or creating unnecessary bends in ducts. This results in hot spots, sweating, high humidity, and compressors that work harder than they should. Fixing airflow alone can dramatically improve cooling without touching the equipment. The third mistake is skipping vacuum pulling during installation. This is the most expensive shortcut in HVAC work. When moisture remains inside copper pipes, it reacts with refrigerant oil, damages the compressor, and causes choking inside the system. If your new AC is cooling poorly, there's a very high chance that vacuuming was ignored. Always insist on at least a 20 to 30 minute vacuum down to -700 millimeters of mercury before releasing refrigerant. The fourth major mistake is incorrect refrigerant charging. Many technicians still add gas by feeling, which leads to either undercharging or overcharging. Undercharging means weak cooling and high power consumption, while overcharging overheats the compressor and drastically reduces its life. The correct method is always to charge refrigerant by weight using a proper scale. This simple step prevents most cooling-related complaints. And the final mistake is skipping preventive maintenance. Most buildings wait for breakdowns instead of preventing them. But regular maintenance, cleaning filters, coils, checking drains, monitoring pressure, and inspecting capacitors, reduces breakdowns by up to 60%. A single dirty coil can increase power consumption by 15 to 20%. HVAC systems don't fail suddenly, they fail slowly, one ignored maintenance step at a time. If you want the quickest improvement in cooling without replacing equipment, start by cleaning both coils, fixing airflow, verifying refrigerant levels, and ensuring proper vacuum is done during servicing. These 4 actions alone can revive a system that has been struggling for years. If this video gave you valuable insights, make sure to follow the channel. I share practical HVAC knowledge that helps plant heads, engineers, and business owners run their cooling systems more efficiently and avoid unnecessary expenses. Like the video, share it with your team, and drop your HVAC questions in the comments. See you in the next one. Stay cool, stay smart, and keep engineering forward.